Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we delve into the latest trends and developments in technology. Today, we have an exciting topic that might make you rethink your approach to the future. You probably won't survive 2024. Top 10 Tech Trends. Now don't take that title too literally, but be prepared to be amazed by how these tech trends are set to revolutionize our lives. These advancements are not just futuristic concepts. They are happening right now and will shape our world in unprecedented ways. So, let's dive into the top 10 tech trends for 2024 that you need to know about. First up is the rise of quantum computing. Quantum computers are set to surpass the capabilities of classical computers by leaps and bounds. These machines harness the power of quantum mechanics to perform calculations at speeds previously unimaginable. In 2024, we'll see significant breakthroughs in quantum computing, enabling complex problem-solving in fields like cryptography, materials science, and drug discovery. Imagine a computer that can solve problems in seconds that would take traditional computers thousands of years. This leap in processing power will open up new possibilities and drive innovation across various industries. Next, we have the expansion of 5G and the dawn of 6G. While 5G is already making waves with its ultra-fast speeds and low latency, 2024 will see its widespread adoption and the beginning of 6G development. 5G will enhance everything from mobile communications to the Internet of Things, IoT, providing seamless connectivity for smart cities, autonomous vehicles, and remote healthcare. Meanwhile, 6G promises to be even faster and more reliable, with potential applications we can only begin to imagine. Think holographic communication, advanced AI integration, and real-time virtual and augmented reality experiences. Artificial intelligence will continue to evolve and integrate into our daily lives in more profound ways. In 2024, we'll see AI becoming more intuitive, capable of understanding and predicting human behavior with greater accuracy. AI will enhance customer service with more sophisticated chatbots, streamline business operations through intelligent automation, and even personalize our healthcare by analyzing data to provide tailored treatment plans. Additionally, AI-driven creativity will blossom, helping artists, writers, and musicians push the boundaries of their crafts. Another trend to watch is the advancement of biotechnology and genetic engineering. CRISPR technology has already made headlines, but 2024 will bring even more groundbreaking developments. Scientists will be able to edit genes with unprecedented precision, potentially eradicating genetic diseases and enhancing human capabilities. Personalized medicine will become the norm, with treatments tailored to an individual's genetic makeup. This could lead to longer, healthier lives and significant advancements in combating illnesses that have plagued humanity for centuries. The rise of autonomous systems is another trend that will define 2024. From self-driving cars to delivery drones, autonomous technology will become more prevalent and reliable. These systems will not only improve efficiency and safety, but also transform industries. For instance, autonomous agriculture will revolutionize farming, with AI-powered machines planting, tending, and harvesting crops with minimal human intervention. In logistics, autonomous trucks and drones will ensure faster and more reliable delivery of goods. The impact on transportation, supply chains, and daily life will be immense. Blockchain technology is set to mature and expand its influence beyond cryptocurrencies. In 2024, blockchain will play a crucial role in securing transactions, protecting data, and ensuring transparency in various sectors. Decentralized finance will gain traction, providing more accessible and secure financial services. Additionally, blockchain will be used to create secure digital identities, protect intellectual property, and even ensure the integrity of supply chains. This decentralized approach will increase trust and reduce the risk of fraud in many areas of our lives. The growth of the metaverse is another trend that cannot be ignored. The metaverse, a collective virtual shared space created by the convergence of virtually enhanced physical reality and physically persistent virtual reality, will become a major part of our digital experience. In 2024, we'll see more immersive virtual worlds where people can work, play, socialize, and shop. This will revolutionize how we interact with digital content, creating new opportunities for businesses and transforming entertainment, education, and social interactions. Sustainability and green technology will be at the forefront of innovation in 2024. As climate change becomes an increasingly urgent issue, technology will play a crucial role in finding solutions. Renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydro will become more efficient and widespread, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Smart grids will optimize energy distribution, while advancements in battery technology will improve energy storage. Additionally, sustainable practices will be integrated into various industries, from agriculture to manufacturing, promoting a more eco-friendly approach to production and consumption. Wearable technology will continue to advance, becoming more integrated into our daily lives. In 2024, wearables will go beyond fitness trackers and smartwatches. We'll see devices that monitor our health in real time, providing insights into everything from heart rate and blood pressure to stress levels and sleep patterns. These devices will offer personalized health advice and early warnings of potential issues, empowering individuals to take control of their well-being. Furthermore, wearable tech will enhance our interactions with the digital world, offering seamless connectivity and convenience. Lastly, space exploration will reach new heights in 2024. With private companies and national space agencies pushing the boundaries, we'll see more ambitious missions and technological advancements. Plans for moon bases, Mars missions, and even asteroid mining will take shape, bringing us closer to becoming an interplanetary species. Advancements in rocket technology, space habitats, and life support systems will make space travel more feasible and sustainable. The exploration of space will not only satisfy our curiosity, but also drive innovation that benefits life on Earth. As we look ahead to 2024, it's clear that these tech trends will significantly impact our lives. From quantum computing and AI advancements to biotechnology and space exploration, the future is brimming with possibilities. These innovations will transform industries, improve our quality of life, and address some of the most pressing challenges we face. It's an exciting time to be alive, and staying informed about these trends will help us navigate the rapidly changing technological landscape. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of technology. Let us know in the comments which tech trend you're most excited about for 2024. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.